You see, the Invest Bhubaneswar we started in 2010. The objective was to connecting ODIs, positioning Odisha as a brand, and connecting entrepreneurs, networking with the entrepreneurs. So we did. I think last 5 years we did lot of events. Every year we used to have one or two events, and we got lot of achievement by connecting, networking people, and we all benefited out of that things. And Odisha, we worked also government of Odisha. We traveled abroad on that, met lot of people and business persons, houses and persons. But this event we want to make it unique because we thought that we have been doing lot of things on in startups and scale up India, lot of things all across the India is happening. But we find there is a gap in here. We understand there's a gap here that creating a vision for the states, because Odisha is going to complete 100 years as an independent state. So, as a state, one state need to have a strategy or vision. Definitely, government must be doing. Many people must be doing on that. But we thought that we should be part to that. So, looking at all the things, we thought of that. Let's create a platform under the banner of Invest Bhubaneswar, and we'll call the most successful people where they can share the vision for the state. You see, when we thought of this event, we started interacting with many people from within the country, within the state, outside the country, outside the state. So everybody appreciated this event and this funda and this concept. Then we started channel. I mean that listing people, successful people from Odisha who are settled in Odisha or outside Odisha and doing great job and already successful in their the way what they are doing. So we thought of getting people in various walks of lives. So like you know that we have Subrat Bagchi, we have Bijay Patnaik, ex-Chief Secretary Government of Odisha from bureaucratic background, and we have Mr. Prasad Nanda, we have Guru Prasad Mahapatra. He is the one of the very few ODIS officer doing great outside the state, and we have also like Dilip Tirki, we have Sudarshan Patnaik, Shruti Mahapatra, Aruna Mohanty, and many people. They had we thought of those because we wanted to take inputs from people various walks of life. They'll give the inputs and they share the visions, what they think as a ODIA to take Odisha into next level. We want to take those things from out of them. This is what we thought of, and though this is the fund, we are giving at least a slot of 15 to 20 minutes time to each speaker. They will share their vision for Odisha in that platform. You see, we are very optimistic about the output because of there was no platform where people they can express their feelings as a ODI, as an individual. Everybody has a thought. Everybody has a willingness or weakness for the state to do something, tell something. But though they are in various positions, they are not able to express those things. Here, we creating platform where everybody will come, different walks of life, different field, different angle, they can share their vision. Since inception of Invest Bhubaneswar, conceptual Invest Bhubaneswar 2010, we are working very close to the government. And many things already government has picked up, like startups, like ESDM. So many things Invest Bhubaneswar initiated, and it has picked up by the government and taking it to next level. Similar way, what we are thinking of that if you get some qualitative inputs from different people, from various walks of life, then we will take those points and summarize those things, crystallize those things, and we can share with the decision makers, be it the government, be it outside, so that they can take it those points, and when doing policy for the state or creating vision or creating strategy, they can add those things there. You see, whatever things is going to happen, I think we have 20 speakers, they will share their visions. We will capture those things, we'll put it on the, document it and make it a document in one book or something like that, where all the visions and of all the successful people, 20 people would be there, and then those things will be, that will call vision document and can be shared with different people. This is what the vision document. You see, if you see the speaker's background, people from economics, people from art and culture, people from sports, people from bureaucratic background, people from technology, people from outside the country, how they look at and what they want to make the things. In that that the way we want to, even politics also. Even politics also, like Dharmendra Pradhan is coming, Bajendra Panda is coming, Soumya Patnaik is coming. So all these people, they are very seasoned senior politicians. They are also must be having some dream. So in this platform, when they spell it out, we can take it and put in vision document and we can share with the government.